mindfully original. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Imagine this holiday moment as a snow globe that has just been gently set down. All the swirling pieces of the season are slowly settling, and you are inside, still and aware, watching each flake of experience drift into place. Notice the specific atmosphere of this time of year around you, the faint echo of familiar songs, the soft rustle of wrapping paper somewhere in your memory, the way the air feels a little thicker with tradition and expectation. Let your attention land on 3 simple anchors of this moment. The sensation of your body resting where it is, the rhythm of your breathing, and the subtle emotional flavor of today's holiday mood, whether it's bright, bittersweet, calm, or mixed. As you rest with these anchors, picture a holiday table being set in your awareness. Each present moment's sensation is a place setting. The weight of your body is one plate, your breath is another, your mood a third. You don't need to rearrange anything. You are simply noticing how it is laid out. The holiday season often pulls us into rehearsing future conversations or replaying old gatherings. When your mind wanders toward what has been or what might be, thank it for its enthusiasm and then invite it back to the table of this very breath, this exact patch of time. Bring awareness to holiday sounds, real or remembered, perhaps distant chatter, a kettle, a crackling oven, or the muffled quiet after fresh snow. Without chasing any image, simply acknowledge that this season has its own soundtrack, and right now you are listening from the calm center of it. Now shift gently to the sense of smell and taste. Maybe the idea of citrus and clove floats through, or the heaviness of rich meals, or the clean scent of cold air when a door opens. Let these impressions rise and fade like steam, not grabbing for them, just savoring how they appear and dissolve. Allow your attention to travel to your hands. Imagine they carry the quiet warmth of a favorite mug in winter, or the gentle weight of a wrapped gift. Sense the tiny, constant aliveness in your palms and fingers, like a soft glow of presence that needs no celebration to exist. In the middle of busy holiday plans and obligations, it can feel like you are rushing down a hallway of days. For a moment, picture yourself stepping aside into a small alcove of time, a cozy corner where this breath is the only appointment and you are perfectly on schedule. Notice any tension that comes with the season, pressure to be cheerful, to host, to buy, to perform certain traditions. You don't have to argue with these pressures. Just see them as decorations others have hung on the walls of your mind. You are allowed to stand in the middle of the room, undecorated, simply yourself. Let a small, sincere gratitude arise, not for anything dramatic, but for one ordinary detail of this moment. Maybe the support beneath you, the steadiness of your breath, or the fact that you have paused, even briefly, in the heart of the season's motion. If there is someone you miss during this time of year, allow that feeling to sit beside you like a guest. No need to push it away or pull it closer. Just offer it the same simple presence you give your breath. Let absence and presence share the same chair for a while. Imagine that each inhale is you receiving the season as it truly is, and each exhale is you placing one small, caring gesture into it. A kind word, a moment of patience, a decision to rest. Feel how this tiny cycle of receiving and giving unfolds right here, in this quiet interval. Now sense the shape of this specific day in your life. Not every holiday that ever was, not the perfect holiday you've imagined, just this one, with its particular weather, its mix of people and emotions, its unfinished to-do list, and this pocket of stillness opening inside it. Let the thought drift in. This right now is also part of the holiday. This pause, this breath, this awareness, they belong to the season just as much as any gathering, any decoration, any tradition. Feel how that knowledge softens the edges of the day. As you rest in this softened space, silently whisper a simple promise to yourself for the rest of the season. To notice a few more moments like this one. Moments where you taste your food, really hear a voice, or feel the warmth of a room and register quietly that you are here for it. Allow the sense of having savoured this brief, ordinary holiday moment to settle in your body like the last note of a familiar song, still echoing softly even after the music has moved on. Now, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes, bringing your meditation session to a close. Before we part, if there's a particular theme you'd like a meditation on, do let us know in the comments below and we'll create it for you. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindly channel. Thank you for sharing this time with us, and remember, you are capable of anything.